RollFloor is a revolutionary product that combines two ideas into one universal wooden floor mat. First, RollFloors use thermally modified wood to allow usage of our mats in high humidity areas indoors as well as outdoors. Second, wooden planks are joined by flexible rubber strips which prevent slickness on any surfaces. RollFloors can be taken anywhere stable wood flooring is needed. Create a mini deck or patio area in your yard or on your camping and RV trips. Install RollFloor over grass, sand, and other uneven outdoor surfaces. When RollFloor isn't needed, easily remove and roll it up for storage. RollFloors are also ideal for indoors and high humidity areas like bathrooms, kitchens, and basements. Cut rubber grips and easily resize RollFloors to any desired length. Unlike most outdoor wood products, the RollFloor is an absolutely green product. You can walk on it barefoot without worrying about harmful chemicals. Pamper your feet and enjoy any outdoors and indoors space with our RollFloors.